In this tutorial I'll show you how to activate a simple agent action in SysOp. First I go to Program Files and I find my SysOp agent, and here we have provided an ActionComp sample. This sample is a simple ease reset action. Let's go and activate it. In order to activate this action, I go to SysOp configuration, find my SysOp agent and configuration file and agent action. And here I simply point to the ActionComp sample, press open, OK, and yes. Next thing we need to do is that we need to do a rescan on the server. As soon as the agent checks in again, the agent action will appear in the SysOp web interface. We will expect it to appear here. Here it is, agent action. Now I've activated the agent action and I will be able to execute ease reset from the web interface. Thank you for watching. That's it.